But we begin this Wednesday at 5 with breaking news. A nursing home in Norwich has been ordered to shut down after an outbreak of coronavirus. The State Department of Public Health just issued an emergency order there.
Now, Three Rivers must start moving all residents to other facilities, and this is a story we've been following closely since it broke several weeks ago. Again, this announcement coming out within the past hour. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is live right now in Norwich with what happens next. Mike?
Yes, and Mark and Aaron, this decision comes just less than a week since the Department of Public Health put a temporary manager in place at Three Rivers. But today that manager says that there was just no way to bring the facility back into compliance by a September 30th deadline. Some of the biggest issues included a significant understaffing at the facility. The manager also says that the employees had a serious lacking of training as well. And all of these problems contributed to their ability to contain a COVID outbreak that started just a couple weeks ago. The DPH saying that since July 24th, 21 residents and 6 staff members have tested positive for COVID-19 at the facility. But there's still so many questions about that outbreak. The DPH says 4 people have died. Today, Senator Kathy Austin says she's hearing a 5th person has died. Now, as you mentioned, this order means that all 53 residents at Three Rivers will have to be moved to facilities within 15 miles. That will not be an easy process. It will have to be done slowly. In fact, 17 patients are still being treated for COVID-19. They will be taken to another facility to try to contain the outbreak. 7 residents remain under observation. They will not be allowed to be transferred until they are deemed to be safe. All of this, of course, will take a long amount of time, but the DPH says that this was a necessary move. Take a listen.
The temporary manager identified widespread problems in the facility. They related to delivery of care, to inadequate infection control, deterioration of systems of accountability, lack of staff education, absence of management policy and controls, other ongoing management, staffing, and financial issues.
Now, JAC Healthcare put out a statement saying they support the decision and they will work to help make sure that these transfers are done quickly. We'll have more on today's announcement coming up on Eyewitness News at 6. For now, live from Norwich, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.